Hard to find Gridley Ranch in Manzanita School District. Spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home featuring a combination of Douglas fir hardwood flooring and low-maintenance vinyl that with a rustic look of wood throughout. Formal living and dining rooms, den, indoor laundry, plus a bonus storage room or secondary office with exterior door, perfect for a home-based business. Fenced side yard for the kids or pets to play. Enjoy family barbecues under the beautiful oak, paved D-shaped driveway with ample parking and turnaround for toys and horse trailer. The cinder block milking barn provides even more storage and parking and has lots of charm. Large 132 feet by 280 feet roping or riding arena with catch pen, 8 feet return alley and water supplies, 50 feet sand round pen, 5 oversized 18 feet by 24 feet covered open-air stalls, irrigated pasture, 2 new tough shed buildings currently